guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? I've been missing for a couple of weeks, so sorry about that. Not been well, I had this cold, but I'm back now, and I've come with a video about this, which is this filter. This filter is amazing, and I did say to you guys that I would come with a video when I've been using it for about just over a month or two, so I can give you a good review about it. And it is amazing. It is a shower filter, and it gets rid of all the heavy metals, chlorine. It filters basically all the rubbish from your system. And I live in an area where the water is quite hard, so this filter is so good, so beneficial for my shower. And what I've noticed about it, it's made my locks very soft. So I totally would recommend for anyone to purchase this. It's not expensive, and it lasts for about 6 months. 6 months it lasts, and it costs around £20. I got it from Amazon, so I'm going to put a link down below so that you could order it yourself if you're interested. But I really would recommend that you do it, because I've noticed a difference with my locks. I will do another video about the updated products that I'm using on my locks at the moment, but along with the water shower filter and the products I'm using, my locks has really been great. I mean, at the moment I've got this style. I thought I'd come in my bathroom to actually show you how to attach the filter and everything, if I can get it off, that is. Yeah, this style I did yesterday. Don't want you to look too close because it's not perfect, but it's a barrel roll, and I don't know if you can see the back. I'll try and do a 360 if I can put the camera in my tripod. I will show you a 360. I'm not gonna lie, this took me a long time. When I remember I used to do a lot of styles in the early days when I first started my lock. If you're new to this channel, I didn't start my locks on YouTube. I'm a bit of a latecomer to YouTube, but I have years of experience of having locks. I've had my locks for over nearly 20 years now. So I've used to do so many styles back in the day. And since I had my YouTube channel, I'm trying to do some more styles, but I kind of feel like I'm out of practice. So when I did this style yesterday, it did take me a long time. So please don't ask me to do it again. No, if you want me to do the style, I will do it. But I don't know if it will be exactly like this. But I'll give you a little 360. I'm going to put the phone in my tripod. Give me a second. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see. Let me basically barrel roll. Sorry, the lighting's not that great in the bathroom. The back is kind of just twisted up into a kind of roll. Don't know if you can see that. And it's just kind of pinned into a kind of intricate kind of style. So yeah, hopefully, and it's pinned. I've just kind of pinned it. You know, you guys know I hate pins, but there's no way of keeping this style in without pinning it, because it would just drop down. I mean, if I went like that, it would all collapse. It's just kind of pinned up rough. But I just like my hair kind of off my neck sometimes. You know, you just want a short style. So yeah, so hopefully this will last for about a week, and then I'll take it out. But that's not what the video is about, guys. This video is about the filter. So I'm going to show you. This is the filter on the shower. You see that? So basically, I'm just going to take it off so you can kind of see what it's like. So it's basically like this. And you can see there's the filter there. I'm just going to unscrew it so you guys can get a good close-up. So that's the inside of it there. And this is the actual filter. You see? So it gets attached to your shower. You see that? And that's where the water drains through. So you just, and it's got that part there, can you see? This part here. So you just attach it like that. Put this part on here. And basically just screw it on. It's not hard, is it? It's not rocket science. And then you put your shower attachment onto this part. You see that, guys? You just screw it on here. And the other part, you screw on to your shower hose. Then, once you've done that, you're good to go. Put your shower on, and Bob's your uncle. And the water is so clear, so light, you know, you can definitely tell that you've got a filter on your shower. So soft as well. And honestly, guys, I'm not going to lie to you, it does make a difference. It makes a big difference. Makes a huge difference. A huge difference. Humongous difference. So yeah, so that's what I've been using. I'm happy. And before anybody says anything, I'm not getting sponsored for this video. This is just, you know, what I've been using. And I like to share with you guys of what is beneficial for my locks, what's been working for me, you know. So if you're interested, just order one. So yeah, so that's it really. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Sharing is caring, as you all know. And yeah, if you've got any questions that you want to ask me, any comments, just drop them down below, as you know. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. And thank you for all those who have subscribed to my channel. It's really great. So if you want any other video ideas, then let me know. And that is the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah! Love you all. Bye.